In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to freeze and unfreeze your Monzo card in the app. This is a quick way to protect your money if you've misplaced your card or just want extra peace of mind. Freezing your card temporarily blocks it from being used, and unfreezing brings it back to life when you're ready. It doesn't close your account, and you can still view your balance and manage your money in the app while the card is frozen. Start by opening the Monzo app and making sure you're on the home screen. If you've been browsing other sections, just return to home so you can access your card controls easily. On the home screen, look for the card button or your card icon. Depending on your version of the app, this might appear as a button labeled card or as an image of your card you can tap. It's typically near your account balance or at the top section of the screen. Tap the card button or card icon to open your card controls. Here you'll see the option to freeze. Go ahead and select freeze to stop payments instantly. You may be asked to confirm, and once you do, your card is immediately paused. That means it can't be used for new purchases or cash withdrawals until you turn it back on. You'll usually see a clear visual indicator in the app that your card is frozen, which can be helpful to double check at a glance. Freezing is especially useful if you've misplaced your wallet, left your card at a cafe, or just want to take a break from spending. Remember, freezing your card only affects the card itself. Your account remains active, so things like bank transfers and standing orders you've set up from the account can continue as normal. When you're ready to use the card again, repeat the same steps. From the home screen, tap the card button or your card icon to return to your card controls. Now tap unfreeze to reactivate your card. In some versions of the app, this may be shown as defrost. It means the same thing. After a moment, your card will be ready to use again for in-store, online and ATM transactions, just as before. If you believe your card is truly lost or stolen, keep it frozen and follow the in-app guidance to get a replacement rather than unfreezing it. But for those everyday moments when you simply need a quick pause, this freeze and unfreeze flow is fast, simple and secure.